Have you ever looked up at the stars on a clear night and wondered what else is out there? I often find myself doing just that, gazing into the vastness of space, letting my imagination drift among the stars. It's like diving into an ocean of possibilities, each twinkle a whisper of something unknown. I think this curiosity, this wonder about what lies beyond our everyday world, might be something we all share. It's the same curiosity that inspired some of the most fascinating ideas about the universe, ideas like the concept of parallel universes. Imagine, just for a moment, that you have a mysterious key in your hand. As you turn it, a door opens not to a different room, but to a reality that's almost like ours. Almost, but not quite. It's a place where you took that job you once turned down, or maybe where cats are the ones who own humans. This idea that there could be multiple versions of reality, each slightly different, is what parallel universe theories are all about. Let's start with one of the most intriguing yet mind-bending concepts, the multiverse theory. It's like being in a giant library where every book is a universe. Each book holds a story with its own characters, settings, and plots, but they're bound within the same library. These universes might interact with each other, or they might remain separate, each book never leaving its shelf. What's wild is that some scientists believe this isn't just fiction. They think that our universe might be one of countless others, each with its own laws of physics, its own stars and galaxies, and maybe, just maybe, its own versions of you and me. Allow me to share a personal tale that might help make sense of this. When I was a child, I used to play with kaleidoscopes. Remember those? You peep through a little hole and twist, and suddenly, a simple view of colored beads transforms into endless symmetrical patterns. Each twist creates a new reality with vibrant colors and shapes dancing in harmony. It's a bit like the multiverse. One twist, one difference in a decision or event, and a whole new universe might exist. Some parallel universe theories suggest that every choice we make creates a new universe. Let's call this the many worlds interpretation, a concept that came from the field of quantum mechanics, which studies the very tiniest particles in nature. Imagine every decision you make, whether to have coffee or tea, to go left or right, to take a job or not, creates a new branch of reality. In one branch, you spill your coffee and have a terrible morning, and in another, you sip calmly under a sunny sky. It makes you wonder how many versions of your day are playing out right now, doesn't it? But how do we wrap our heads around such an idea? It's like trying to imagine a color you've never seen. The trick is to think in stories, to picture these parallel lives like movies running in endless cinemas. Each movie begins with the same scene, but spins off into its own unique plot. It's a playground of imagination, where every possibility is a reality somewhere. Now, I can hear you asking, why do these theories matter? Well, they stretch our minds, making us rethink what we know about existence and reality. They remind us that what we see is just a tiny slice of what might be. This thought can be both humbling and exhilarating, like standing on the edge of a great canyon and realizing how small, yet how connected we are to the vastness beyond. And let's consider the philosophical ponderings these theories ignite. If there are countless versions of us, what does that say about identity? Is there a core you that spans across these universes, or are we just a collection of countless possibilities? In a way, it makes every choice we make feel both monumental and minuscule. Monumental because, in some universe, each choice is profound, and minuscule because it's just one of countless possibilities. As we draw towards a softer reflection, let's step back from the scientific and philosophical and glance at the poetic nature of parallel universes. It's like a tapestry of life, where each thread is a universe, weaving together to create the fabric of existence. You, me, everyone. We're all part of this grand design, each thread coloring the whole in ways we can't fully see, but can endlessly imagine. So next time you look up at the stars, remember they may not just be distant suns in our universe. They could be the lights of countless other universes, each one a world of wonders waiting to be imagined. Isn't it fascinating to think that somewhere in another universe, another version of you might be doing the exact same thing right now? Maybe that's the beauty of parallel universe theories. They remind us that the limits of our world are only as narrow as our minds. And while we may never have all the answers, the questions themselves are a journey worth taking. Thank you for letting me share this cosmic journey with you. As we continue to explore, may we always find wonder in the possibilities that lie beyond and in the simple joys of the universe we call home.